Hi, I wanted to share with everybody my playlist, which will be listed down below. I have a crochet baby blankets playlist. I will have a crochet afghans playlist. This is under my channel. I also, if you go to patterns, click on afghans, it will take you to all of these pictures. You can click right on to any one of these pictures. Once you do, it will take you right to the pattern. Most of these do have videos, not all, but most of them do. And some of them you may have never seen because they don't have videos. So this one doesn't, I don't think, have a video. And I know this one doesn't have a video, but it's pretty easy to do because it's granny square. Click on it, it will take you right to the pattern and the video. It will tell you that it's done and the multiple, which multiples it's done in, and you can create it for a baby or just an Afghan. So under the baby blankets tutorials, I have all of these tutorials for baby blankets. So these are all videos, corner to corner, my ripple stitch Afghan, baby blankets. These are like granny square, granny stripe, shell. Then if you go to crochet Afghans, then you will see all of these Afghans as well. So if anybody is looking for how to make a blanket for anyone or baby, and there's this easy one here, and the entrelac stitch, which is really beautiful once it's finished, and the lover's knot. It also can make a really nice blanket as well as a scarf. And then you can do that ripple stitch in the double crochet as well as single. Then my chunky yarn blankets. And if you want to do any edgings, there's a craft stitch, picot, and this is a zigzag braided basket weave. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with everybody just in case you didn't know I had all of these Afghans that I've done over the years if you want to take a look. All right, thank you for watching and please subscribe.